Hello again, tech fans. This is Kelly Basie with another dose of Emerald Hot Jobs coming from Emerald Resource Group. But once again, our weekly production would not be possible without our friends at Stingray Tech. They truly are the video experts. So each week we continue to listen for your feedback through our Twitter channels, and so we thought we'd switch it up again. So this week the hot jobs are categorized by technology and not location. Let us know what you think at Emerald RG, Emerald Resource Group, get it, RG. So yeah, here it goes. First bracket here is developers, and we have 3 different spots open this week. One is a junior developer, and I would say this company, this client that we work with, definitely like pretty much out of the Silicon Valley, but they're in the Cleveland area. They're looking for at least 1 year experience of Java or .NET experience in the programming field. Also some QA testing, full life cycle, SQL, Oracle space as well. I would say if you have an internship or you're coming right out of school, at least that 6 months to a year of an internship and then other side projects are probably what make you most qualified. They'll start you off at about a $50K salary for this. Otherwise, if you come in with a little bit more experience, up to $60K. The next one is a .NET lead, and this is also in the Cleveland area. And this is really focused on more of the web side. So ASP.NET, JSON, AJAX, MVC, Team Foundation Server, Git. I would say total of 6 to 8 years you have to have within a lead role or have been progressing to a lead role. So if you're a senior .NET developer that's looking to share some of those, project experience, project lead experience. This is not management, but more of, again, tech project focus. Then this is perfect for you. Salary for this one is 110 to 120K. Get your friends. This is a great pay for something like this here in the Cleveland area. And lastly, we have a senior Ruby engineer, and this is in the Raleigh space. So Ruby on Rails, Java, MySQL, NoSQL, AnySQL. Just kidding. Web services, test-driven development, and this is really focused, again, in the larger space, the enterprise level. And here, we're looking at 105K salary. Now we move into the database and data warehouse space. We have 2 positions within the SSIS specialty. Pretty unique. They're different clients, but we just so happen to have 2 different, timing-wise, 2 different roles that are open. Cleveland and Akron. One is looking for more of the cube experience. One is looking, maybe more so reporting than anything, but both need the SSIS, SSRS, Crystal Reports, Stored Procedures. And I would say they range in salary at anywhere from 80 to 90K. The next one, we go down to Columbus, and this is a SQL DBA position that's available for somebody that has about 3 years experience. T-SQL, SSIS, RAID, SAN, storage, and then performance monitoring are all plus. And they're looking at about 100K for this particular role. And last but not least, we have a SQL DBA lead/manager. We're going up to Cleveland again for this one. 5 years experience, and you need both Oracle and SQL database experience. And you're really, truly going to be the point person in this database role. Primary liaison, working with different departments in the IT realm, and you'll have to have some direct reports underneath you, about 5 to 6. And I would say if this is a direction you'd like to go in more the management realm, and you've already been acting in something like this, and this is a good jump for you. If you haven't quite had that direct reports, say probably not right now, but stay tuned. Another hot job will come up, probably in Cleveland. And last but not least, we move to the bonus features, like what I like to say. We actually have a sales representative position open. And yes, we focus mostly in on IT. So, this has an IT niche. They're looking for somebody with 7 to 8 years of software as a service experience. You have to know your markets. You have to have sold to new clients, but ranging in fields. So consulting to retail, healthcare, and even manufacturing. They're looking at starting you at 65K base up to 75K base, and then an awesome commission structure. And this is a really more of a, I would say, less of a startup, but not quite a mid-sized company. So a nice sweet spot for a growing company. And this is in the Cleveland area. So that's it. Again, nice and easy like we do every week here. And this is just a quick reminder of who Emerald is. We are a career advisor. So we focus on technical and cultural fit in the IT industry. We really marry the two together when we make a match within really what the client's looking for and what the candidate, who you're probably watching, and what you're looking for in a position. We are featured in Cleveland and in Akron areas. We have Columbus roles. We also have Cincinnati and Research Triangle Parks. There's 15 of us here. We're all focusing on having those career-centered life talks with you. We're not intimidating. I'm one of them. Am I intimidating? No. And we also have about 30 years combined experience. And Mark Krasinski, who's leading the pack here at Emerald Resource Group, has got 30 years strong. And so we're definitely mentored by the right people and are completely in and out of the industry and talking with everybody on a day-to-day basis. We know our stuff. And as always, it's your responsibility to take action from hearing this. Apply, tweet, share it with a friend, find somebody, go find somebody. We even do referral fees, and maybe I should mention that next time. We have referral fees for if you know a friend and you're gonna, try to hook them up with us, talk to us and we'll kind of get you introduced to it. So we'll be back next week, but until then, I'm Kelly Basie, and have a good one.